Alright, so we're off from the Whites, heading up to Lincoln right now. And what's up, Richie? What are we gonna be doing for this weekend?
We're gonna be going to Mount Tom, Mount Willie, Mount Field, Mount Washington.
Ooh.
And I don't know, anything else in between.
Hey,
Everything else in between.
let's have ourselves a good weekend.
All right. It's gonna be a nice easy day to the top of Mount Pierce. Yeah, that's what it was. I forgot about that.
I did too. I was like, it's Mount Pierce, right?
Yeah, we're gonna take the Crawford connector up, which this trail is honestly super cool. If you look up the history, you definitely should. The guy, I think his name was Alan Crawford. Him and like his son, no, maybe his son was Alan Crawford, but him and his son built this in like 1850 or something like that. And then in like 1870 or 1875, when the guy who built it, something Crawford, Mr. Crawford, I should say, he was like 70 years old. He was the first person to go up this trail on a horse. First horseback summit, which like I feel bad for the horse. But like that's cool though.
That's freaking
like,
sick, dude.
1870, yeah, 1870, 1875, something like that. I don't remember what the year was exactly. So yeah, that's a cool little fact about this trail.
Nice little fact about it. All right,
Yeah,
let's hike Mount Pierce, brother.
Have a day.
Let's have a great day. Alright guys, we're at a little over a mile, and we got a mile and a half left to get to the top, and then 3 miles down. 2 mile mark pretty soon. Yeah, we got less than a mile to go till we're at the summit. From there it's back down, so we're approaching the summit. Probably half a mile away now, if that.
It's not being able to look out and see, you know, for miles and miles that like makes the view. Like this is just as beautiful of a view, honestly. Not many people actually get to see this part of it.
So true. See, nice.
But we do.
Hell yeah, brother. Alright, are you ready to make the descent down? Let's do it, brother.
Another fucking summit.
We gotta be safe coming down because as you guys can tell, it's white out right now. As we're coming to the near the end of our hike, Mount Pierce definitely threw a little fucking obstacle at us. Kind of was making us sweat a little bit more than we were expecting to. What's that? Another summit done. It's Saturday. We did Mount Pierce. It was an awesome hike. It was an awesome day. we took it easy today for one reason.
Washington,
Mount
baby.
Washington tomorrow.
I feel like I'm excited. I just want to get out there.
We're so excited to do it. We were thinking about doing it today, but it's a good thing we didn't because it's currently like a whiteout conditions right now. You know what I mean?
And as the day got worse, honestly, the weather got worse. Like the wind is increasingly higher than it was this morning, obviously, but
a lot more.
Yeah,
a lot more, especially on the summit.
Yeah, that was a little scary at first. I got pushed at one point to the side where I thought I was tipping over.
Literally, the wind was so strong, it just takes you right off your feet. And just not being able to see anything, you know, like, and finding the trail, that's tough. It gets you on your toes, you know what I mean? And, like, looking for your marker point. Yeah. Like, when we found that marker to the right side.
That was
dude, that was
like heaven sent, because we were going further left. Off to the left, in between the Crawford Pass and going up to the summit, which is like a V cut. We were right in the middle, leading to Never Everland. I will say the most important thing, when we got up there and realized that we were off trail, we weren't sure, we instantly turned right back around, went right back to the last landmark that we passed, which was the trail mark post, you know, letting us know every time we got off trail about twice or maybe 3 times. Every time we turned right back around. We didn't keep going. We didn't question anything. Started right back at the post and did our best to find the trail again, which is the one thing you should always do if you're lost in these conditions. Don't just continue to venture on if you think you're lost. Turn around. It's the easiest thing to do.
Heck yeah. You guys hear it? All right. Well, the Ville boys coming at you.